Hi sewing friends, I'm Stephanie and this is Ashtown Creations. I have 3 more packages that I received and I need some of the stuff that's in here. So I decided I would pop on and do another unboxing video for you. So I think I'm going to start with the bag on the top. Put these to the side. So this is another package. This is from Zipper Valley. Because I live close enough, she can just put my name on it and she leaves it outside her door so I can go pick it up. So I'm just going to cut into this one. Alright, and there we go. So the first thing I got, put to the side, I got some, I'm going to be making a Wayfarer sling bag, so I needed some of this mesh because I'm going to be doing a tutorial video for it as well. So I needed some of this mesh so that it goes on the water bottle holders on the side, the bottle holders on the side. So I had some in navy blue, but I decided I wanted black because the webbing I'm going to be using, which is right here, is going to be black as well. So I got some of this. It is the By Annie's lightweight mesh fabric. You can get it obviously at Zipper Valley. I believe you can get it also at Emmeline Bags, and I'm sure there's a bunch of other places you can get it. So yeah, so some black mesh for the side pockets. I got some webbing, some of her seatbelt type webbing. Yeah, if you can see that. Got about, it says 10 yards and a bit extra. So yeah, I needed some for the webbing on the Wayfarer sling backpack bag. So I got my black. Now I got a good amount. I should be able to make a few different bags out of that. And the other thing that I needed is I have another tutorial coming up that needs, let me see if I can open this, the bee zipper pull. Is it gonna focus? Anyways, they're very, very nice zipper pulls. The bees are just gorgeous. They're two-sided, kind of like the gnomes that I did in the last video. They're very well done. They're nice, hefty ones. So I'm going to be doing a tutorial video with these coming up in the next several weeks. So anyways, I've got how many of these? 15 of them total. So yeah, that is everything I got from Zipper Valley. Like I said, I'm local, so I don't have to wait for shipping on those. It's fantastic. Little dangerous, but fantastic. So the next one I'm going to open is, I'm going to open the big one. So I've got this big box. It is from Galaxy Kustoms. So Galaxy Kustoms is in Ontario. I want to say Port Burwell, but I'm not 100% sure. I will link everything in the description box below after. So, not close enough that I can actually go pick things up. So, thank you note. So take out the paper. And I ordered some, got 4 rolls. This is the Luxe suede. So this is gorgeous, gorgeous fabric. Here's the pewter. And it has a real faux, like it has a real suede feel to it. I made a bag with this one and the what's it, ebony, which is like the black color. I made, so these two together, see if I can lift this up. So those two together, I made a chevron, the Goddess of the Sea with the chevron pattern from Needle and Anchor. I made that bag for my mom with these two, and I also made her a matching Rosie wallet from Ciro Bag Makers. That's where the pattern's from, but out of this fabric, and it was so nice. When it became available, I ordered 2 more rolls of each. So yeah, when it comes available, if you haven't tried her faux suede, absolutely gorgeous. Again, this is from Galaxy Customs. I have more rolls and other colors over there that I'm not sure what I'm going to make with them yet. I think I have some pink, gorgeous pink, and I'm thinking it's going to be a moon wake. Unfortunately, I can't record a video for those, but I completely understand. But yeah, I think it's going to make a gorgeous... I'm not sure what these ones are going to be. I just wanted to replace the stuff I'd used on my mom's bag. So, but it is absolutely gorgeous that the Luxe, Luxxe suede from Galaxy Customs. So put these aside. And the third box I have has come all the way from Belgium. So I ordered some stuff from Cereal Bag Makers. I make a lot of the Rosie wallet, and they use that bar lock across the top, and I really like the style of their bar locks. So I had already opened the part. I had trouble getting this out. It actually ripped. So anyways, so I got a card that you are pretty darn awesome, and what to tag, what hashtag so Cereal Bag Makers love. I don't know if you can see that. So yeah, just a little information and a discount code, my packing list. Oh, ooh. So Cereal Bag Makers also has old gold. Let's see if I got some here. They have this antique color gold, and I have some fabric that has this color in it. I have a few different fabrics that this would look good on, so I ordered some from them. I don't find it many places, this old gold. So most of the stuff that's in here is this color. So I've got some just rectangle rings, but I use these mainly for the Lauren tote. Lauren Mormino wrote a pattern, if you don't know. It's called the Lauren tote. I will also be doing a video for that one coming soon. I've cut out all the pieces and I've started recording, so hopefully it'll be in the next month that I'll have it out. But anyways, it's not using this specific hardware, but I do use this hardware on those styles of that style of bag. So I've got some of those, and I got some zipper ends, magnetic snaps, a bunch of magnetic snaps. Ooh, got some of these X, the strap connectors that are in the X, again, in that. Very, very nice hardware. And stuff that I can't seem to find anywhere locally. Oh, I've got more of those rectangle rings. I also got some, looks like screw-on purse feet. I got a couple bags of those. So this is, so yeah, so you can see the screw-on part there, and it's, turn it the right way. So they're neat. They've got a little ridge in there, so they're a little more decorative. And yeah, the screw-on purse feet, they're a good size. They're not like some I've gotten have been so small that I wonder if they're even worth putting on, but these ones are a nice, good size, so I've got a number of these. What else is in here? Another one of those rectangle rings and more magnets. So yeah, I got a number of magnets. I don't know how many I actually got. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 sets. So there aren't a lot of fabrics that I found that I can use this old or I've seen it old gold and antique gold, so I'm not sure. You look up both if you're looking for them. And I haven't seen them a lot of different places. So it also had these, come on. It says handmade on them. So they're just the bag labels that say handmade. So I've got 2 of those. I also found, because I love antique copper too. So I found they had some antique copper zipper pulls that say handmade on them, and it's on both sides. It says handmade. So I like this, and I do have some zipper tape that I got from Saya Swag that I'll probably be using these with. And then the same idea for the antique or old gold with the handmade. So some nice zipper pulls. Oh, and a couple other different zipper pulls in the old gold as well. The little donut one. And I don't know what these are called, but they're just, I like these a little more for, they're just a little chunkier. So but they're nice too. It's all the old gold, same on both sides. I think that's all it, nope, there's one more style that I got. So it's like the teardrop style, same on both sides. So that's all of the zipper sliders I've got. And now, the part that I actually logged on to the website for, the parts that I did, are the, oh, there's another large zipper end. I've got a little baggie of screws, probably for these. So, let me just open both sides. So the thing I like about these, so the Rosie wallet is like the slimline bifold that closes with these kind of clasps. I call them bar locks. So I like these ones. If you can see, they've got a little deeper in here. So if you do make a little bit of a mistake cutting out, take this off. And it comes with protective film on it. So if you do make a mistake cutting out your hole, you have some wiggle room here. So, and I just really like the finish of it. It's not as fine as some of the other ones, but I do find these are very accommodating if you do happen to cut out a little too far or make a little mistake up there. I really do like these. I have some of the other ones. I like these bar locks. I have some of the other ones, and I will continue to use the other ones. But yeah, as long as I can get some of these, I'm quite happy with them. So I've got some in, as you saw, the old gold or antique gold. I got some in, it looks like there's a matte black and gunmetal. So matte black. I got rose gold. I got a few in rose gold. I got 4 in rose gold. It looks like 2 in nickel, 1 in gunmetal, and then 3 of the old gold ones. So that is everything I have from this for this unboxing. I've been trying not to buy a lot lately, so I don't have a lot coming in to do unboxings for. So I'm not sure when. I'm not going to have them every week, because I've been given a mandate by my husband that I need to use what I have before I bring more in. I just nod and say, yes, honey, and do what I want. Anyways, yeah, so that's everything I have. And as I said, I'll post links to everything in the description box below. So yeah, and we'll see you on the next video.